Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark from first page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we can see there are many pages and included the watermark. Now we want to remove the watermark from the first page. Firstly, go to the window menu, then enable the pages option. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Now we want to remove the watermark only from the first page. Go back again the window menu and enable the layer option. Then we can see the watermark is master page. Now we want to remove this watermark only from first page. Disable the master page. Click the layer option master page and select the toggle visibility option. Then we can see this watermark is removed. Then go to the another page and check the pages. Now we can see we remove watermark from first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.